Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake without egg. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For liquids, have milk or a dairy-free alternative and some vanilla extract ready. Make sure you have a deep pot for frying, a funnel, and a wire rack for cooling. This recipe is simple and delivers delicious results every time, even without eggs. Now let's get that batter ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1½ cups of milk, or a dairy-free option, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to a tough funnel cake. It's time for the fun part: frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the batter through your funnel, moving it in a circular motion over the hot oil to create that classic funnel cake design. Fry for about 1 minute on each side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to carefully remove the funnel cake from the oil, and place it on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Once your funnel cakes have drained, it's time to make them irresistible. Generously dust each warm funnel cake with powdered sugar. For an extra treat, add your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. These egg-free funnel cakes are perfect for any occasion and are sure to be a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.